Welcome to Petards UK, guys, and this is a latest unboxing from Meal Products. You can see that just there. It's not very good at focusing, but never mind. I'm sure you can still see it. Anyway, let's say these are French fireworks, French bangers. So let's get on with unboxing it. First time I've ordered in a little while. Because these were offline for a little while, Meal Products, due to what happened with the bomb shop situation, I think. So anyway, try not to destroy anything in it. Really glad to see these back online again. I was hoping they would come back, and they did. Because I was a bit worried about, actually, truthful with you, whether they would even come back. So, now they're back online, that's great. Now, there's not nothing massive in here, but there are quite a lot of variety. Oh, look at that lot. Lovely to see him again. Beautiful. So, I think we'll start off with the little crackling balls. These are. They're by the Tiger. I've never actually tried these, so I'd be interested to see what they're like. So they've got a total of 1.9 grams, but no, sorry, a total of 6.54 grams. I presume 1.9 grams in each ball. Basically, they're crackle balls, which is basically what they do. They just crackle, they sort of fly out of here and crackle all over the place. I've never actually tried them, as I say, so I'm really looking forward to trying those out. So we've got some crackle balls. Oh, I'm in a caravan, by the way, now, guys. So I'm not living in my car now. I'm now living in a caravan. So yeah, that's a little house look. Right, anyway, let's get on with the fireworks unboxing. So, the Tiger E4. I think there's about 20 packets of them. Really glad to get hold of these again, because the E4s I think are really good little bangers. Because well, they just are good, aren't they? So, like I say, there's about 20 packets of them, I think. Just dig through them, getting them all out. Really do like these little firecrackers, they're awesome. So nice to see some French bangers again. They didn't have these in stock for quite a while, but they've got them back in stock now. This is great. So, yeah, awesome. So let's say I think there's 1, 2, 4, 8. Oh, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There should be 20 of those. So hopefully there's some more in here somewhere. And also I've got the Super Demon, which are basically the same thing, but they're by Ardi. So that's the Super Demons, 10 in each pack, just like the E4s. These have got, trying to find how much is in there. 1 gram total by the looks of it. So 0.10 grams in each one, by the sounds of it. There should be some more E4s. I'm guessing they're down in the bottom there somewhere. So, right, let's just find these out first. Plenty of the U2s, as you can see. Yeah, this is more of the E4s. I know, I'm sorry about the camera work, guys, but I'm using one hand this time. I normally got it propped up and stuff, but I haven't got nothing to hold the camera, so I'm just doing it the best I can. I'm guessing these are these are the demons, Super Demons. Sorry guys, I'm making a mess of this somehow. So I'm normally well organised, but I haven't got nothing to hold the camera, as I say, so it's a little bit, you know. Anyway, we'll get there in the end. 2, 4, 6, 8. There should be 10 of those. look at the bees on one. There's a crate of them. So that's the Super Demon and the E4 and the Crackle Balls. And next up we have some Demon Machine Gun. These are awesome. Strips of 40 firecrackers. All go off at the same time. Well, virtually the same time. The fuse burns down. It lasts about 6 seconds. Lights all 40 firecrackers. I've seen them before on my channel. They're fantastic. Just like the Tiger Z. And these are just as loud. Just a different brand. By Ardy again. There should be some more of those in here. And there should be some the Tiger Z. So 2, 3, 4, 6. Sorry guys, I do apologise. 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe there isn't any the Tiger Zs. There should be somewhere in there. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It looks like they've left out the Tiger Z for some reason. I don't know, we ordered some. But I don't know quite what's going on there. I think I ordered 20 packs of the Tiger Z and 10 packs of these ones, but I don't know. I'll have to check my order. So that's the Machine Gun, Super Demon, E4s and the Crackle Balls. There should be 10 boxes of the U2s. Get 15 each box, as you can see. 0.7 grams of flash powder in each one. A total of 3.5 grams per box. So there's 10, should be, I think 10 boxes of them. 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 10 boxes of them. Like I said, I'm not quite sure what's going on there at the moment with the Tiger Z ones missing, so I'm just going to have a quick count up of these to see how much there actually are. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 packs of those. So I'll have to check my order, as I say, because I definitely did order some the Tiger Z, but who knows what's going on there. Right, this is the rockets, Fusee Jet Boom Sifflante, or basically screaming rockets. They scream and or whistle as they go up, and then they explode. And they're quite a loud little bang, really, for the size. You know, probably equivalent to the U2s in sound. There's 12 packets of 12 in here, so that's 144 bottle rockets. They're really cool little things. Entire box of those. 26 grams per rocket, total of 37.44 grams in the whole box. Again, these are by Tiger. They're awesome little things. If you like the Banshees, which we used to get years ago in England, these are a good equivalent. So yeah, it's a nice little unboxing we've got going there. I'm a bit sad to see there's no the Tiger Z firecrackers, but never mind. Anyway, we've got a case of Bison 1, an entire case of those. I think there's 40 in each case. Yeah, 40 in each box. That's the sort of that size bangers. Just have a quick look. Get in there. Sorry. I do like the Bison one. I think they're really, really good. Sort of a good all-rounder. Quite loud for their size. So there they are, there's 40 packets of those. Let's put one out. So just, so you get 6 in each packet. Let's see what the grams are in there. So a total of 8.8 grams in each firecracker, and a total of 4.8 grams per packet. I'll say there's category 2, you get 6 in each pack, and they're really good. So let's just open them up and have a look. Get a nice bang from these babies. Clay plugged visco fuse. Yeah, awesome things. They really are good. So there we have it. 40 packs of Bees on 1, 144 bottle rockets, 10 boxes of the U2s. Just open up and have a look at them. Bloody knife. Just a sec, guys. You get 50 in each box of these. Ah, they've got nice fuses on this time. Apart from that one. First time I've had one without a fuse. As you can see, clay plugged again, visco fuse, crimp 10s. And these are loud as well. They're great little firecrackers, they really are, and you get 50 in each box, look. So you really get good value. So that's the Tiger U2s. E4 we've seen before, I'm sure. These we've seen before. These we've seen before. So, you know, I don't see any reason why I should open them just yet. But anyway, thanks for watching this unboxing. And as I say, these are from Meal Products. I shall have some fun with these. Upload some more videos for you soon. And I am hoping to get some more louder firecrackers soon. From some other sites, like from Poland or something like that. I just haven't got around to things like that yet. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Enjoy your fireworks. It's good to be back, and I just want to say thank you for everyone's comments and all the support. It's really good to have you guys on board. I'll see you again very soon. I hope you enjoyed this, and as I say, it's good to be back. Enjoy, guys. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.